morning, everybody. I'm Jenny, and part of my homework of this week is to solve the problem of the week 11, exercise 10, 12, part 8, level submission. So I'm going to show you part of the homework, and I hope that you can enjoy my exercise. Okay, so let me um, share my screen. And now I'm going. So I already solved the exercise because it was a little tricky for me to do it. So I was doing parts by parts, but I'm going to show you how I did the exercise. So the completely exercise is by three different icons, A, B, and C. And we're going to start with the first part. And the first part say, Laver purchased a new piece of equipment to be used in its new facility. The 445,000 piece of equipment was purchased with a 44 1,500 down payment, piece of equipment, yeah, down payment, and with cash receiving through the issue of 400,500. So at the 6% for 5 years mortgage payable issue in January 1, 2017, and the terms provide for annual installment payments of $95,077 on December 31st. So like you see, I have the exercise completely, but I do my Excel helper, and we go in there. So the first column, and when we have the cash payment, we going to put the 95,077, that is the down payment, the annual installment payment that we're going to do. So we have 5 years, right? And every year we have to pay this. So this is the cash payment. And the next column is the interest expense, and we're going to check how much of the 95,077 belongs to the interest expense, and what is the amount, the rest of the amount that go into the reduction of the principal. So the principal, the total principal is $400,500, right? So like we can see here, that's the cash payment that we do annually. And the interest of the $400,500 for the first years, we pay 2,430. And the interest, the principal was $75,047. And the first year, our principal was reduced to $329,453. So that was the first year. And the second year, we see the reduction in the interest, and we see the increase of the principal, right? That is, and the total of the principal, we finished the second year with $254,143. And the third year and principal we pay less comparing with the first and the second one, and the principal we increase. So that's good. And our principal balance was lower. So the 4 year we pay just 10,459, and the reduction of principal was 84,618, and we have on the principal balance on the end of the year number 4, $89,697, $89,697. Last year, the last year that was the fifth grade, interest we pay just $5,000, 5,382. And the principal, we have the same amount, and the end of the year, we have a $0 dollars due to the bank. So now I'm going to share with you my spreadsheet and the Excel, how I did it. And I'm going to move my face to here. Let's put it here. So I have the principal balance here, $5,000. Interest 6% on the 5 year, right? So we start with the payment cash, the cash payment. Every year we have to make the payment. The first year, how do I calculate the interest expense? So we multiply the principal by the interest, okay? So because we have, this is the amount the interest expense, right? So this is the amount the interest expense is the principal by the interest, and that's why they give me $24,000, $30, right? Then, and the reduction of the principal is the cash payment that we have minus the interest that we pay, right? So the reduction of the principal is giving me this amount, and we going to reduce in the principal balance from 400,500 minus the total of the reduction of the principal. And this is the amount. And so you can continue see here. So now, because my principal increased, I multiply here. So my principal balance is 329,000 multiplied by the interest. So that's why I have a less money here, and so on. So now here we have we have to reduce the BA, that is practically the cash payment minus the interest. So that's why we have the reduction, the principal. So now, and principal balance is going to be the same. This amount, $329,453 minus the principal. So this is the amount. So you're going to continue to do it from the rest of the exercise that you can continue checking. And that's why I have this, I have the total here, right? So this is the first part, and we've finalized the 5th year with $0 dollars, right? So for the second part, I have just the journal entry that we have to do. And we have the mortgage payable, interest expense, and cash. Remember the every single year we have to pay $95,077, right? So, but what is this and mortgage? And what is this amount and interest? So from the $95,077, we pay the first year $24,030, and in mortgage 71,047. So that's the first amount, 24 and 71. So the total, the first years is going to this. So this is the second part of the exercise that you see that I did it correctly. And the third part, we have to do the balance, the partial balance sheet, right? So we started with the current liabilities, right? We have a mortgage payment, and remember our annually, the first mortgage payment. So we have the first already, right? 75,300. Let's see, 75, that's the second year, the reduction principal. That's the second year. We're going to put it here in the third part. And mortgage payable. Then long-term liability, because it's more than 1 year, is long-term liability. If there is less than a year, the teacher say that is short liability, right? So this is long term, more than a year. So we have the mortgage payable, and we pay from the second year. This is the amount that we have pending, 329,453 dollars. That's the amount for the second year that you can see that here. But how much we pay? How much we pay from principal? We pay 75,310. That's the principal that we pay. 7,500, 75,310, and more, and the difference between both, we sum the two amounts here, and total in the second year we pay 329,453. So we can see that here. That's the first year, and we zoom in these two values, right? So this is the exercise I made. I hope that you understand. So let me give you again, this is the first part of the exercise. This is the second part of the exercise. And from the last part, the part C, we have to do the partial balance sheet, right? So thank you so much. If you have any answer, any question, I can answer to you. Okay. So have a good day, and yeah, have a good day, and see you in the class. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye.